This is a brief tutorial to show you how to click into the certificates and degrees that are offered through BYU Idaho. The first thing you're going to want to do is come to your web browser and type in byupathway.lds.org/degrees. This will bring you to our website with all the certificates and degrees. If you scroll down, you will see the four majors that we offer, the four major categories. There's a business degree, technology, family studies, and professional studies. So if you're wanting to work on a specific certificate, let's say the TESOL certificate, you would click into professional studies. And here you will see all of the certificates available for that specific major. And if you come down here, you will see the TESOL certificate. Most certificates are going to be 14 to 15 credits. Now, as you scroll down, you will be able to see Certificate of TESOL, and this will list all of the courses that you will need to take in order to earn that certificate. Now, the rate at which you earn this certificate is up to you. You can take Intro to TESOL in one semester, which is only 3 credits. You can take 2, which would be a total of 6 credits, or if you want to go at a very quick pace, you could potentially take all 15 credits in one semester. Some certificates will require that you have a prerequisite. A prerequisite means that you have to take a certain class before you can take another class. So if you come across that, then you will have to work on these classes at a certain rate. If you are wanting to go on and work towards an associate's degree or a bachelor's degree, you're going to click on degrees, and then you will click on either Associate of Professional Studies or Bachelor's of Professional Studies. Let's say we will want to work towards a bachelor's degree. Now you will be able to scroll down to the bottom, and it will say you're going to choose 3 certificates. These are all of the certificates available for this bachelor's degree. So for example, if you want to still work with the TESOL example, you're going to work on TESOL, click on that. You'll see what you need for that certificate. Let's say you wanted to do social media marketing. You can click on here, and you can go through and see what looks interesting to you. Now, if you get into social media marketing and you look at these courses, you can click on the course and it's going to give you an explanation of what that course is all about. If you start looking into social media marketing and you decide that that's not really something you're interested in, then you can always go back and change and do something else and say, well, maybe I would like entrepreneurship. And this is a great way to just familiarize yourself with the different certificates and what is required for each of those certificates. So now I can see all the classes that are required for this certificate. I can click on the course and get a brief explanation of what the course is about, and decide whether that is something that is interesting to me, something that I feel like will help me in my professional life, and make my decision from there. Now, so up here it will say you choose 3 certificates, and then as you go down for a bachelor's degree, you are also going to need general education courses. You will need 38 to 39 of those credits. And then you will also need electives, about 30 credits of electives. Now, if you've completed Pathway is going to count as 9 elective credits. So you will really only need 21 credits of electives because you've completed Pathway and and completed the requirement for 9 of those credits. If you have further questions and want to know more specifically what you need for these general education courses, the best thing to do is talk with an advisor. BYU Pathway and BYU Idaho offer an advising resource where you can click right here, consult with an advisor. And you're going to click Contact Advising. And here you will fill out a form with your contact information and submit it. And within a day or two, you should receive an email or a contact back from the advising office, and they will have all of the specifics about when you should take certain classes and in what sequence, and if you're on track for graduation. This is a great resource for anybody who wants a little confirmation that the courses that you have enrolled in are going to be the right courses that you need for your major.